Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down until you find the Apps option. Tap on Apps. In the Apps menu, scroll down and look for Phone. Tap on Phone to access its settings. Here you'll see various phone settings and options. Scroll down until you find the Wi-Fi calling option. Tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking you to enable Wi-Fi calling. Tap Enable to confirm. Once enabled, your iPhone will use Wi-Fi networks to make and receive calls when cellular coverage is weak or unavailable. You'll see Wi-Fi calling in your status bar when the feature is active and you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. This feature is especially useful in areas with poor cellular reception but strong Wi-Fi connectivity. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.